In this lesson, you're going to learn to create your first solution and project inside of SQL Server Integration Services. A solution is a container of one or many projects, and it typically aligns with a business project that you may be on. For example, you may have a solution that's called Enterprise Data Warehouse for your company. Inside that solution, you're going to have many projects. And a project is a container of all the developer files that are associated with SSIS, or reporting services, or analysis services, or C#, for example. For example, on the solution on the right, we have one project. And inside that one project, we have a number of shared data sources and then packages underneath there. We could also have another project, though, that was a C# project with a whole bunch of class files, or a reporting services project with a series of reports. Now that you know a little bit about our projects and solutions, let's go ahead and try to create one now. In the try it out section in this case, we want you to create a solution called Personal Trainer Solution and a project called Personal Trainer SSIS Project. So let's begin. Let's start by opening up BIDS, Business Intelligence Development Studio. You can do this by hitting the Start button, going to your Programs, and under SQL Server 2008, you'll see the BIDS shortcut right here. If you want, you can also right-click on that shortcut, go to Properties, and you can add a very good key here, -no splash. That -no splash will enable you to go ahead and skip that splash screen and save about 5 seconds per opening of the project. This also works within Management Studio and any other Visual Studio environment also. Now that I have BIDS open, you can see it's basically just Visual Studio 2008. I'll select File, New, and Project. Once I select that, I'll select Integration Services Project, and we'll type in what we need here. So for the solution name, it should be called Personal Trainer Solution. And for my project name, I'll call that Personal Trainer SSIS Project. Now your screen may be slightly different than mine. This is where we're going to put the project, but if you have things like Visual Source Safe installed, you may see an additional checkbox right here. That checkbox would be for adding this project and solution to Source Safe. If I did have Source Safe installed or some kind of source control, the next screen after I hit OK would prompt me where do I want to put that in Source Safe. So the important part is, make sure you have Integration Services Project selected, name your solution, name your project. This will all be under Business Intelligence Projects, and then click OK. Once you click OK, your first package will be opened, as well as your solution and your project. Now in your case, probably your solution will not be visible. This is because you only have one solution in that project, and BIDS hides that. If you want to always see that solution, you can go to Tools and Options, and then under Projects and Solutions, you'll see Always Show Solution. That will enable you to always see the solution file and project. This is helpful when you're using source control. In this lesson, we showed you how to create a solution and a project. Solutions align with business projects that you may be on. And projects are containers of a whole bunch of SSIS packages in SSIS. A solution is a container of a whole bunch of projects. So you may have a project that has a whole bunch of packages and another project that has a number of reports. And your solution would combine all of those into one container. So that way your reporting services developers and your SSIS developers can all be under the same umbrella. Now that we have that all done, let's explore the BIDS environment in our next lesson.